Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by aligning inward. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes and remove distractions now. Quiet your mind through steady breathing and make a clear, specific intention. Tell God you want vision and why. Once done, simplify your surroundings and address any unresolved guilt or conflict. Moral clarity frees attention. You should also create a short spoken vow, one sentence, that anchors your practice. This step prepares both heart and focus, so the next practices have a receptive foundation. You now move into a structured, receptive prayer session. Adopt a consistent posture, light a candle if helpful, and use a simple phrase to center attention. Start with 3 minutes of clear, voiced petition, state your need, then shift to 7 minutes of quiet listening, noticing imagery, words, sensations, or shifts in emotion. Make sure to jot down any impressions immediately. Fleeting details anchor later meaning. Repeat this cycle several times over days, so patterns emerge and clarity deepens. You finish by evaluating what came. Compare impressions with trusted teachings and your moral intuition and look for beneficial outcomes, peace, clarity, or actionable direction. Once done, present key impressions to a wise, trusted person for corroboration. Honest feedback prevents misinterpretation. If nothing seems genuine, pause the routine, extend silent periods, and revisit your intention. Sometimes clarity arrives after restraint. A final tip: if confusion persists, slow the practice and prioritize ethical alignment before pursuing more visions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.